For this tutorial, we are going to have fun making some creative monster collages. The materials needed for this project are 2 watercolor 8x10 pieces of paper, a pencil and eraser, watercolor pencils, different kinds of collage paper, scissors and glue, and small paintbrushes with water. After planning out a few creative monster ideas, choose your best planned monster to draw out on your watercolor paper with your pencil. Have fun with your design and think about funny features like how many eyes will your monster have? 1 eye or many? Think of weird noses and mouths and the way the feet and the hands will be. Here are some fun examples. Now let's add color with watercolor pencils. Taking any color you want, mix and match on the dry paper before adding water. This job is going to be all about blending and adding kind of shadows and mixing your pencil crayons while they're dry. When you're done, we're going to add water. Let's do it now. With a brush and clean water, go over your colored piece. Keep your brush as clean as possible between your colors, but still think about blending colors within your work for added depth and interest. Now it's time for creating our background collages using different papers. I have a handful of fun pattern papers, but you can use solid colors and pattern ones. And it's all about creating our foreground and background of our pieces. We're going to be making trees, different types of trees, even mountains, anything that you're interested in doing for your background. When you finish your collage background, it's important to seal up your background with gloss medium varnish. When your background is dry and your watercolor monster is dry, you cut out your monster and stick it on your piece. Here are some finished monster examples. We also took paint pens and added some details and patterns to the pieces just to have a little bit more interest within each area of our pieces. They're super creative. I love how every background is different and every monster is unique. Okay, well now it's your turn to create your own monster collage. I hope you enjoyed this video and have fun being creative.